Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market.
Whether you're a seasoned chef, a home cook with a flair for flavors, or someone who believes in the magic of slow-cooked perfection, the Dutch oven is about to become your kitchen's culinary cornerstone. In this episode, we'll be lifting the lid on the features, exploring the robust designs, and unveiling the game-changing cooking capabilities that make these ovens a must-have for every kitchen enthusiast. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of Dutch oven on the market. You can see the link to the products in the description of the video below.
Number 1.
Prepare your next winning dish with the Segretto Dutch oven. It comes in several sizes, perfect for whatever type of dish you're making. 6 quarts, 7 quarts, 4.57 quarts, and 1.7 quarts. Fully enjoy the flavors of your food with its self-basting spiked lids that effectively seals in moisture and flavor. Our Dutch oven features a pre-seasoned non-stick enamel coating, making both cooking and cleanup a breeze. The durable chip-resistant finish handles heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The wide, ergonomic handles of our Dutch oven ensures easier transfer from your cooktop to your dining table. And with the included pair of non-slip silicone pot holders in the box, it makes handling the Dutch oven much safer. It doesn't matter what cooktop you have, as it's compatible with gas, induction, electric, ceramic ranges, and even in the oven. Take your culinary skill to the next level with the Segretto Dutch oven.
Number 2.
Looking for a pot that will improve with every use? Introducing the Casa Double Dutch Oven, a 5-quart heavy-duty cast iron pot and medium-sized skillet that are ideal for slow-cooking soup, roasting meats, baking fresh bread, and cooking many other one-pot meals. The pot can be used for braising, baking, searing, and simmering, while its lid can double as a separate skillet, perfect for sautéing, searing, or baking a personal pan pizza. Our cast iron is designed to last you a lifetime and offers a superior cooking experience. It is pre-seasoned, so it needs less oil while cooking on high heat, and it naturally prevents food from sticking to the surface. And it can be used on all heat sources, including gas grills, campfires, stovetop burners, ovens, and more. The package also includes 2 silicone handle covers to protect your hands up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and a silicone multi-use trivet mat to take your meal from stove to table. The Casa Cast Iron Double Dutch Oven, the perfect mix of size, simplicity, and design to fit your family.
Number 3.
Introducing the Best Choice Products Dutch Oven, a culinary essential that combines robust construction with versatile functionality to elevate your cooking experience. Versatility is at the core of this Dutch oven's design. Transition seamlessly from gas and electric ranges to your oven and grill using the sturdy side handles. Perfect for potlucks, parties, and gatherings, this family-sized Dutch oven accommodates large groups with its 6-quart and 7.5-quart capacity. Built to reach and maintain temperatures of up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, this Dutch oven ensures efficient cooking. The heavy lid features condensation bumps to seal in moisture, heat, and flavor, contributing to consistently delicious results.
With dimensions measuring 14 L x 11.25 W x 7.5 H, this Dutch oven is designed for both practicality and style.
The 6-quart oven capacity ensures you have ample space to create culinary masterpieces. Introducing the Vancasso Real Cast Iron Dutch Oven, a culinary masterpiece designed to redefine your cooking experience. Here's why it stands out. Crafted from high-purity ore, the Vancasso Cast Iron Dutch Oven boasts a substantial weight of 13 pounds. This not only ensures durability but also guarantees even heat distribution, allowing your food to be cooked uniformly. Drawing inspiration from the historic significance of enamel, the Vancasso Dutch Oven pays homage to its rich legacy. In the 20th century, the French ingeniously combined iron and enamel techniques to create the enameled cast iron pot. The Vancasso Dutch Oven features a non-stick safety enamel coating, free from cadmium or lead. It is non-toxic and harmless even at high temperatures, providing easy cleaning and maintaining its vibrant color. The lid of the vancasso Dutch oven is adorned with 40 evenly distributed dots that accelerate the condensation of evaporated water vapor within the food. This condensed moisture then showers evenly back into the dish.
Number 5.
Introducing the Velaze 6QT Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, a culinary essential designed to redefine your cooking experience. Here's why it stands out. Crafted with precision, Velaze's enamel cast iron Dutch oven is solid, durable, and capable of direct and even heating. Its versatile design allows for use on both stovetops and in ovens. Velaze's enameled cast iron Dutch oven seamlessly transitions from stovetop to oven. Compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, glass top, and induction stoves, it's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Combining elegance with functionality, Velaze's Dutch oven features a wide, solid handle and a stainless steel knob on the cover for easy operation. The ergonomic handle facilitates easy transportation of the pot. The 6-quart capacity caters to all your cooking needs, whether it's a daily meal or a feast for guests. Velaze's cast iron Dutch oven offers the perfect blend of form and function, embodying a timeless piece of enamel cast iron craftsmanship. With a 5.9-inch diameter, it's the ideal choice for families of 3 to 5 people, providing excellent value for your culinary investment.